Well, ladies and gentlemen, William Seabrook, a very experienced nurseryman, is going to show us how fruit trees are made via the method of whip and tongue grafting. It is very important, this job, that it is done properly, and so the right tools need to be there. We've got the sealing tape, we've got the Velcro secateur, we've got the specialist sharpened knife, we've got the wax which we'll put on warm, and there's the big cutter in order to prepare the stock.
Right. Okay then, off we go.
Yeah, off we go.
Right. This is the cyan, which is the variety which Dan wants the tree to eventually be, which it will be in a very few moments. The cut is made so that the bud I want is over the cut of the stock. This will help keep the tree straight. Cut the cyan, which is already cut actually, to match the rootstock cut, and there they are, and on it goes. Nice window round the outside showing the cambium layers. Now we take the wax and tape, or tape first, that, keeping it tight all the way up. This tree, not strange enough, it works, and this will bear fruit in 2 summers depending on the variety. Now if I turn it round so John can see, that's the bud over the cyan cut. So when it grows, it will grow up instead of away from the stock. Now we wax up to keep the air and rain out, making sure they're properly sealed, and there the job is done.